Hi, Enshong here. As I mentioned in my last video, I might not be able to upload much about the cafe. It's because I don't want to be making videos just for the sake of uploading something, even if it's let's admit it, it's repetitive. Well, for me, it's very repetitive. So my plan is just to upload whatever I want when I can, so that I won't have to force myself to make videos, and that way I won't be burned out or bored. But I am planning to maybe make videos about individual or a group of items that I use in the cafe. For example, I might make a video dedicated to the Breville dual boiler, maybe a review in this setting, and then maybe at the grinder or anything here. But I can't say when I can upload or make a video of those, but I'll try. And in the meantime, I'm going to be sharing some other things I do. Like every Monday is my free day. So basically, the cafe is open from Tuesday to Sunday. So on Mondays, I have nothing else to do. Sometimes I do woodworking stuff in my workshop that is far away from here, but most of the time I also take pictures. If you don't know, before I reopened the cafe, I was a wedding photographer, and yeah, and photography has always been my passion. Yeah, there's a cat here. Anyway, yeah, photography has always been my passion and it hasn't changed. So every Monday I usually go on a photo walk or go to my workshop and do some woodworking stuff. And actually, this is just a segue. I'm building a new bean dispenser. If you notice, I have a cylinder behind my grinder, and that holds my bean containers. So I'm building a wooden version of it in my workshop, which I will definitely share in this channel when it's done, and if I maybe make a video about the grinder. Yeah, so anyway, this is just a quick video, and enjoy the photos I took last Monday. This is just a series of photos that I took on one of my photo walks. So enjoy a sneak peek of my perspective and what I do on my spare time. always, thank you so much for watching my videos, which I think are not really that good. But yeah, I appreciate all the comments and the messages that you send me. Sometimes I can't reply though because I have so much stuff to do here. So yeah, thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next video.